Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, let's get an update on the 56 Buick. We've made a little progress, so I figured I'd take the time to show it to you guys. Thanks for watching. All right, so we got the tail lights out this time, and the deck lid is off. We're starting to sand on the deck lid. You can see how pristine these are inside of here. No rust whatsoever. There's just like the day they were made. We've also started to take the trim off the top of the doors. You can see this trim, down here is off. It's laying up on top, so you can kind of see what they look like. So here's the deck lid over here. We're getting that sanded down. Progress is definitely being made. We got the Buick letters off. You can see they got little rectangular holes. And let me get the letters and I'll show you what they look like on the back. All right, so here's the Buick letters. You can see those here. And what they've got on the back is there's some little like plastic deals there. They might be metal, I'm not sure. But they just push in. You put that little clip in the car and then the letters just push on. So that's what's going on back there. So, yeah, basically to get these off, you just get in behind them with, some kind of a little pry tool and just take your time and work it off. So back in here, we got the wing window mechanism, so you can see what they look like. And then the trim around the back window is gone. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. The trim around the gas door is taken off. We've got the molding from around like the lower part of the back window is pulled off. Here you can see the wing windows are out and the trim is off of there. This is all very tedious work. It definitely takes a lot of time. All right, well, that'll do it for today. I'll keep giving you updates on it so you can see what's going on. So, this is definitely a very interesting process. I love looking at it, and I can't wait to see the car all done. It'll be a really good looking car, that's for sure. All right, we're going to run down to the shop and take a look at the Buick to check the progress for the week on it. So we'll see how much got done. So let's take the B and go for a little ride. All right, here we are. Show you the new garage we're working on here, the new shop. That's going to mainly be for storage. So, all right, well, let's go in. All right, so here's what we've been working on this car for the last few days. We've been trying to get the windshield and the rear window out of it. And so we've gotten a lot of the trim off. You can see here, you know, all this trim down here has all been removed. This piece we're struggling with a little bit. It's just tough. It doesn't want to come out. And the big thing is we don't want to break the windshield. Because as of right now, we don't have a source for a new windshield. So if you know of somewhere, let us know down in the comments. But if you look right here, the windshield's separated like right up in here. So that's why we want to replace it. And it's the same situation on the other side. Let me walk over there and I'll show you what's going on over here. But as of right now, we don't know where to get a new windshield. But you can kind of see it's a slightly different color in the glass right there. That's not actually glare. It's actually that separation. Let me get up on it a little bit. I think you might be able to see it there. And then on the back glass, we want to get this out too so we can paint up in there. But we're having trouble getting it out in the center, in the very center, just like the front. And again, we don't want to break this glass. We'd like to reuse it. We're just trying to figure out what to do there so we don't break that. So, all right, let's go in here and take a look at the hood. So he's got this down to bare metal. He said there is not a ding in this hood. He said it's just crazy how good a shape it's in. I can tell you, it looks to be about as close as you can get to perfect. Then he did some primer work on the trunk lid. I think he had to fix a little imperfection there. And then he is going to have to fix just a little bit here. I don't know. There you can see it a little bit. There's just a few pits from the rust that was there. You know, we cleaned that out so it won't come back, but we are going to have to fix that as well. But I mean, overall, this is super nice as well. All right, so we're pulling the windshield and back glass out of the Buick today. So they have to cut the weather stripping that holds it in and then push the glass out. Where they want to put it. Yeah, that piece of glass is unobtainium. Oh, that window channel is immaculate. Oh, yeah.
Screws. So you have to install this before the rubber.
What?
You have to install this before the rubber.
Yeah, you have to put the trim on.
The trim will go. It'll snap in there after, but it's lower than the rubber. there. Oh yeah, it goes around the rubber.
And I've never had a problem with my cord. It's plug if you need to unplug it. Great. I just got to step this way for a second.
It's gonna have to go down and lift up. Now when they take the trim off, the purple come out.
Show you this side of the back window channel. I mean, it's immaculate. Just super nice. And the front is the exact same way. I mean, it's as good as you're gonna get. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time. And, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Hey, guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below.